Assalamualaikum and welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with a new tutorial of hairstyle. So today we are going to make a heart shape hairstyle. So first of all you have to section your hair from the middle. From the middle you have to part into two, and then you have to make a round heart shape on your hair with the help of any tail comb. So make a heart shape on your hair with the help of any tail comb. Make a round shape from right side and make a round shape on your left side. So making two round shape, it will become your heart shape in your hair. So I just feel more comfortable to do work with my fingers, so to make it more detailed, so I'm using my fingers to make a perfect heart shape on our hair. So if any hair is coming out of the shape, you have to fix it with the help of your fingers. Just fix it like this and make a perfect heart shape on your hair. So after making a heart shape on your hair, you have to thoroughly brush your hair again, and then tie your hair with the help of any rubber band or a pony band. Like I'm doing in the tutorial, I use a rubber band. I use using this pony band to make it more secure, because she is having much healthy hair, so I have to secure it with the pony band. So after making the pony, you have to start making the braid in a heart shape. So again you have to follow the same steps. You have to take a little bit part of your hair, and then you have to part it into three, and then cross the one strand over the middle, and then cross one strand over the middle. Now you have to start adding the hair in your left strand. Take a little bit part, add it in your left strand and cross it over the middle. Okay, again you have to do the same. You have to take a little bit part of your hair, add it in your left strand and cross it over the middle. So this is the way you will get a perfect heart shape on your hair. So keep on making the braid in the same steps. Like you have to take a little bit part of your hair, adding in your left strand and cross it over the middle. So keep on doing this and complete the braid. Now start making braid on right side. Again you have to do the same. You have to part it into three. Take a little bit part of your hair and part it into three, and then again you have to take a little bit part of your hair and add it in your strand and cross it over the middle. So again what you have to do, you have to take a little bit part of your hair and you have to add it in your right strand, and then you have to cross it over the middle. This is the same step you can see in my each video. I'm following the same steps to make a braid, that you have to take a little bit part of hair and then you have to add it on the strands and then you have to cross it over the middle. So in the next few tutorials you will see, and there are different braids, and there are different hairstyles, and there are different steps, but in this video the steps are same for your convenience. So keep on doing this and complete the braid. So after completing braids from both sides, I am just keeping all these two braids with my pony, and now I'm placing a donut bun over here. So now I'm starting making a beautiful bun hairstyle. Also with this, you can also keep this only hairstyle, like you can only have these two braids. It will look also good. But if you want to make a donut bun, and if you want to create a beautiful bridal hairstyle, you can also do it. So just secure it with the Jura pins like this. Now start making braids of these hairs. Like you have to part it into three, and you have to cross it over the middle like a normal braid. You have to cross over the middle like this, and you have to cross it over the middle like this. You have to make such kind of braids for all of these hairs, and you have to create a beautiful hairstyle with the help of these braids. What you have to do, you have to keep on making braids of all the leftover hairs, and you have to pull out the strands out from left side or right side. Which side do you like? You have to just pull it out like this. So make a very loose braid, so it will make convenient for you to take out these strands out. So keep on making braid and take out the strands, and just place it over the donut bun like this, as you will see in the video. Just pull it like this, make it will create a very beautiful hairstyle. So after completing the hairstyle, you will completely see the look of the hairstyle. So it will create a very beautiful hairstyle on your hair. And now you have to place it over the donut bun like this. So with the help of donut bun, you can create different kind of beautiful hairstyles easily. You can also make a simple donut bun hairstyle also. I will also show you a tutorial of making a simple donut bun with the help of this donut bun on your hair. So again, what you have to do, you have to take a little bit part of your hair. Again, you have to part it into three. Just make a three sections of it, and make a normal braid, 3-strand braid. I know all of you know how to make this simple braid. You have to keep on making braid like this with all of these hair, and then you have to make a very loose braid, so it will make easy for you to pull out the strands out. So as you keep the loose braid, the more beautiful braid you can create. So make a 3-strand braid like this, and now pull it out from left or right side. You have to take out the you have to pull out the strand from one side. So again you have to place it over the donut bun, and you have to secure it with the hairpins. So keep on making the braids and place it over the middle and secure it with the hairpins or joda pins. So place it over the donut bun like this, and cover the donut bun with the help of these braids, and secure it with the hairpins and complete your hairstyle. So here is the final look of my hairstyle. I have added beads into the bun, and now you can see it looks so beautiful.